get it out. This is really fun. Hello everybody, it's been a while. You thought I would come back with good content, but no, I have an unboxing video of a vacuum cleaner for you. Specifically, the Dyson Fluffy, come on, change light. The Dyson V8 Fluffy Plus, yes, yeah, that's the one. You know, I was always using a vacuum cleaner with cord and it annoyed the shit out of me because I kept pulling the vacuum cleaner and kept changing the plug of the cord and putting it in different sockets, and it was annoying me a lot. So I was like, why not make my life easier and try a vacuum cleaner without the cord? And that's exactly what I did. So I'm sorry you couldn't see me from the lighting, too much light. It's been a while since I've done this, as you can clearly see, but I'm not going to make a second take because that is not how I do things. Although it would be better for a better video. Anyway, it is what it is. So back to the vacuum cleaner. I really enjoy it. It's really useful. The battery is about 40 minutes long, but I can clean the whole house with one single charge. So if I can do that, you should be able to do that as well. This model was about 350 euros for me here in Belgium. So that's that. So I would say it's definitely worth its money. I will now show you some clips, or I will have already done it, of me unboxing the vacuum cleaner and using it a little bit, like a really a little bit. But yeah, all I can say is I definitely recommend it if you do the cleaning yourself, which you should, because it makes you a capable human being.